Today, I'm going to turn a pallet I found in a dumpster to a shoe rack. So the goal now is to harvest material from this pallet to build my shoe rack. First step is to retrieve enough wood from the pallet. For this task, a circular saw was used. Second step is to clean up all nails out of the wood. This step was tackled using a hammer and some elbow grease. Third step was to cut all required material to the correct dimension. I'm not in the vicinity of a miter saw, so for the straight cuts I had to use a circular saw with a square.
So all cutting's done. I got 4 16 inches, 4 24 inches, and then 4 4 inches. So these are the sides. They just need to be brad nailed and then glued.
I used brad nails to hold everything together while the wood glue dried. Fifth and final step is to put the whole thing together using glue and brad nails. I know it doesn't look pretty, but if I wanted to, I can sand it, stain it, paint it to make it presentable. But at its current state, it accomplishes my initial goal, which is to hold shoes.